Hello everyone, we're here, and look at the time and date to unbox the Apple wired keyboard. This is the newest model. It has the USB 2.0 ports. And there's the front right there. Here's the side. I'm going to cover up the serial numbers. It says there which operating system requirements that you need. Over here is some more info. There's the front keyboard. This has a numeric keypad also. We're gonna carefully use the box cutter to cut that side and that side. Let's remove. There's the front right there. Nice, it just has the UPC in the corner, but there's the keyboard inside. Let's look at it in the package. And then there's the wires. I'll take it out of the shrink wrap here in a bit. Extender cable. And in this part right here is the documentation. Close that up. Here's the documentation. Warranty. There's a bunch of stuff there. Well, let's get to the keyboard. There's a full look at the keyboard right there. Take a closer view. For those of you coming from Windows, there's all your F keys and they have specific functions, if you can see. There's the command key, option or alt, and control, shift, caps lock, spacebar, command, arrow keys, full size, enter 5. There's a bunch of keys there. On Apple computers and keyboards, they call this the delete instead of backspace, and this is also the delete, but this performs what the regular delete key on Windows would do. As that's why the arrow is pointing to the right, there should be an arrow pointing to the left. And that's just 2 pages worth. Here, let me bring out the mouse. Apple Magic Mouse I just unboxed. There they are, together. That'll be it.